Okay, so I'm going to buy a new to me truck today, 1966 Chevy panel van, and I wanted to try this guy out. I don't know if you guys have seen this yet. It's made by Winch. It's this nice little drill winch with a 750-pound pulling capacity. So you hook your drill up to that guy there, and it pulls. I've never used this before. Lock and unlock, pull it out, so on and so forth. My hope is that using this snatch block, I can double my pulling capacity and move it from 750, which is what we are right now, up to 1500. Now my panel truck rather is going to be more than 1500 pounds, but we're not, it's not just being suspended off this. We're just rolling resistance. So will it work? I don't know. Has anyone done something like this before? I can't really find anything online. I've seen one where a guy pulled a car with no motor or tranny, big deal. And another one where there wasn't much of a ramp. So I'm gonna try and pull an actual truck up with just this and the snatch block. In fact, I wouldn't mind trying it without the snatch block first, just to see, if it'll work or not. So when I come back, I'll be on the trailer and we'll give this a go and we'll see how it works. Wish me luck.